Today we fired up the 620 and it had liquid coming out of the inside of the radiator pouring down the front of the tractor. So we're going to pull the cowl off and take the radiator out. We removed one bolt here with the nut on the inside, so it required 2 wrenches. One here. Under here is a spring loaded. One here. We had to take the 2 bolts out in the cowl. Same on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to pull the radiator cap, and then we're going to see about pulling this cowl off. See if I can get the camera to want to stay here. I'm sure there's folks that have done this, but here's the first problem I ran into. This is a long bolt, does not want to come out without hitting this nubbin, and I cannot raise the cowl enough beyond it without getting the bolt out. And judged by this bend here, I would say someone's had it out in the past and ran into that same problem. Let's see this side, yep, same thing. Hitting this tab here, and that bolt is a little longer than what wants to release. Maybe we can get that bolt out. So I'm going to take this wrench, see if I can't move that bolt over and get it to slide past. So that was just a bit tricky. Not sure what other surprises are in there. Ah, there's the nose cone and my inspectors to check my work. Oh yeah, radiator's a mess. Oh, these little areas. These were all leaking. So we'll continue our quest to take that radiator out, and we'll get her repaired. While we have this cowl off, We'll just take a little closer look. Air intake, top of the radiator. It's cast iron on all four sides. I assume a replaceable, changeable core. Power steering mechanism. And I'm thinking the reason these were so hard to remove is that maybe someone had the bolt in upside down, that the bolts don't go in from the top, but probably go in from the bottom and compress the spring. So someone's had this off in the past, and that would also explain why on the cowl here, each side has a slight little bend in it where somebody pried on it. And I'm guessing because they put those bolts in from the top, which makes them so they don't want to be removed, they had a pry on it to get them in or out or whatever they were doing. John Deere 620.